So here I am, 1 week later. I managed to get most of the parts. It's still a couple of bits are missing, but hopefully I can sort that out tomorrow morning. Is because I tried to get a radiator, but I called a couple of companies and they said they need the part number, and obviously I couldn't manage to see the part number underneath, but it should be there. There is like a little white sticker on it or something. But I will continue from here where I stopped last time. I'm gonna just take the headlights out, all this top bracket, I'm guessing that's how they call it, or which is holds the hood mechanism and is like covering up the radiator. So I can just lift it out and I can take it to, I think, Northern Radiators, and they said they need a part number, or I can just take mine and they can repair this one if it's repairable. If it's not the plastic which is broken, only the metal part, then they should be able to repair it, but I don't think so, because I can see it's really big damage down there. So I would just prefer to have a new one. But I think I can still trade it in, or I just leave it there with them. So hopefully tomorrow they are open and I can just take this one to them, and hopefully they have 2 in stock for me, so I can just start to put back everything together. So yeah, mainly the parts what I got, I will show you now. I got here. So basically I got the original BMW coolant. I think I bought a little bit more than what I should, but anyway, I want to clean the system at least once or twice. The distilled water. Now I don't know, 2 or 3 I need, because it's 50-50. That's the mixing ratio with the distilled water. I got the turbo radiator, the small one, which is right here. It's not broken, it's not leaking either, it's bent a bit. I might be able to use the original one, but as you can see, there is like a little crack in it. So I said I'm gonna just put a new one then, instead of using that one. The front crash bar is brand new, second-hand one. It's like no damage, no any signs of damage on it. I got the track rod end for the driver side, which is the damage. I need to replace with the damaged one. I got the front bumper accessories. That is the front grills. That's gonna be the front bumper. It's gonna be an upgraded one, the M2 competition style. I absolutely love it. Obviously it needs to be painted. Yes, the 2 brand new beautiful headlights. Obviously there is no modules in it, no anything like that, so I'm gonna just use it from the other one. It should work. It should work with that. I just need the angel eyes, the xenon lights modules to be put in, and the big control module there, and plug and play. Hopefully it's, well, technically it's the original BMW one, made in, I don't even know, made in Czech Republic, but it's a brand new 140i headlight. Is BMW LED even says there. I was just checking it to put the same original ones back in. over here, like a little brown cable is broken. So I will just try to open it up. I mean, this black seal what is on it. And I will try to repair it instead of buying a new one. Hopefully it's gonna work. Obviously, if it's not working out, then I just need to buy a new set of 4. I don't know how much it costs, but for sure it's not a cheap one for the front sensors. Literally just that brown cable damaged at the moment, how you see, but all this space. I will open it up and then I will try to connect the cables back together and then seal it back up, back down, back up, back down, back up, whatever. Just seal that cable there with some tape and it should work. But worst case scenario, again, we need to buy a new one. You got to push both sides in so you can just open it, but I think it's the dirt, and obviously it's not the newest one, it's the 2017 model, but it's like seized. It came off first time, yes. Okay, so we can just leave this one here. I'm gonna put this front sensors next to this bumper now, and then I will try to repair it later on. Okay, so this is done. Now I can just open these 2 bolts here, which holds the front crash bar, and then we're gonna do the same process on the other side. Yeah, as you can see, this one from the inside is absolutely fine. It's not a single damage from the inside, but look, from the outside, gone. That's rubbish. Right. Right. There is something else connected to it. Yeah. And here we are. Our damaged front crash bar over there. And this driver's side corner is very, very light. It's aluminium, I think. And it's very, very light. From the other side as well. Yes, that's what we want to see off. All right. And now we got like a plastic cover on top of the radiator, and we should be done. Okay, that's not damaged either. Oh yeah, it's broken from the other side as well. Yeah, this side is okay, but this side is absolutely broken. Yes. So weird places where they put this part number codes. Okay, so we need to order that one today. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Where is this from? I thought it's just, that's definitely not repairable. Wow. That massive hole in there. Let me show you. So here we are now. Look at that massive hole in the radiator. It's nearly out. Both headlights. It's like an empty front. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. There is a screw right here, top corner, and the other side as well. So you can just take this plastic cover off, and then we can see the radiators and the part number right here underneath for the front one and the back one as well.